Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to do a product review and unboxing of the Gooloo Elite Series 800A jump starter. So I'm just going to open this up, just remove the plastic wrapping on it. I'm also going to show you how to actually use it. My car is actually flat at the moment. The battery is not working and it's flat, so I'm just going to show you how do you connect it and actually use this product. I'm just going to remove this plastic wrapping. The specs on this is that it's 540 grams. The battery capacity is 18,000 milliamps, 66.6 watts. The output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 5 volt at 2.1 amp, 12 volts at 10 amp. So this is the actual unit. Feels pretty heavy, so, and this says caution, fully charged before operating, so just gotta make sure it's fully charged. So fully charged before use. It comes within this leather pouch. This is the charger. I'm just connecting the charger and see if it works. The top pocket here has these alligator clips to connect it to your battery, and it also comes with this car charger, cigarette lighter. It comes with the two, the positive and the negative. The red one is the positive, the black one is the negative. So it's got the instructions at the back here, but I'm going to show you how to actually use it on the car. It's pretty straightforward to use. So on the actual unit, I'm going to remove this yellow wrapping. So the unit right at the top, it's got this black flap. That's where you plug this connector with the alligator clips. You can't go wrong, so you just gotta push it in. So I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna make sure it is fully charged as per the instructions. So I'm gonna show you right now that it came at about 80% fully charged, so now I'm in the car. I'm just gonna show you what the problem is with my car battery. And it doesn't start at all. You can tell it's struggling. I can tell the radio, the car system, the music is not working. So I'm just going to pop the bonnet. I'm now going to go at the front of the car. So this is the battery that is not working, or it's flat, or this is faulty. So I'm just going to connect the Gooloo 800A jump starter to it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you connect the alligator clip to the unit. So just remove this flap, and as you can see, it's got a blue area to insert it. So just insert the blue to the blue. Make sure it's securely connected. And it's got the instructions. You can read those instructions. Just gotta make sure it only works for 12 volt vehicles. And just have the red clamp, the plus connected to the plus of the battery, and the negative to the negative of the battery. so I will do that. Gonna connect. So this is the blue alligator clip. Just make sure it's connected to the positive, and then the negative to the negative, and then you can see here that it's green, the light is green, so it's correct. I can already hear the music playing in the car, so it sounds like it is working, or it is getting some power to the car to start the CD player. So I'm just gonna go in and just turn on. Let's see. Yep, here we go. So it started the car without any problems. It's good. So I'm just gonna disconnect the alligator clips. Just want to show you how much battery is left after it jump started. I'm gonna check the power, and it's still full, so it's didn't use quite a lot of battery at all. So if this video helped in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.